JC, I'm Marquette affiliated, got everybody watching like your boy was demonstrating. I'm getting payments, I am the greatest. People follow after because I laid the pavement. Man, tongues on fire, cause I'm fire spitting. Serve it up every day like Marquette serves chicken. All about my business, my flow's consistent. Man, line's so dirty that I should see a dentist. So far ahead, I'm out of sight. Already killed this beat, so I think I'll pass the mic.
Okay, hold up, yeah, my flow is fantastic. They call me loud, but I'm just a quiet Catholic. Car dirty, but you know that I'm a wax it in the Charger Windows bike button. No, it's not the fastest, so I slow it down. Cause I'm walking on the town, I'm a green king. And he's my favorite crown, but the only time I wear it's when we're going state bound. So MCHS, help me pass the mic around.
I have a passion for fashion, but no, I ain't bragging. My mic, I am a savage. Jumper going in like Dirk with the Maverick. Just got a new chopper, and yeah, it's automatic. Yeah, and they always get the best of me. I'm in the kitchen, water whipping. Marquette is the recipe. She be like, teach me how to rap.
Turn up.
And then I take your girl, and then I hit her with the Dougie.
When I'm in class, I pop tags. Marquette, we got that swag. It's so sad, I feel bad that the blue crew made you mad. All the girls love me. Yeah, I got the juice. I'm jumping out the roof. Salute to the troops. The crowd get wild when I throw Jake the ooh.
Coming in, yo, gotta hit this real quick. They scream my name when I walk up in the building. I'm the papa, yeah, I kick it like karate. I'm not for real though, this rap stuff is a hobby, but call me number one. Yeah, I'm the king. I'm sitting on the bench with the basketball team. Yeah, you can hate me or love me. Me and all these guys are trying to teach you how to dub.
They be like, Sam, what, can you teach me how to rap? I'm like, no. Shider boy don't play that, but Jake asked me to, so I guess I'll hit the track. So pass me the mic and everybody step back. My name is Sam. Let me show you how to do this. Quiet Catholics, but we wise like some Buddhists. We pass over the mic. Something like the Jews, that if our sports ain't the best, man, I bet the blue crew is.
Marquette is my school, it ain't no thing. Roll up to the spot, I'm about to use my brain. I learned so much, it ain't even funny. What's for lunch? Man, the answer's chicken, dummy. The bathroom's clean, so fresh and new. But when I walk up in the John, I'm gonna take a poo. Our sports go hard, they rustle your jimmies. Cause even if we play against T-Pain, we still be winning.
Teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to Dougie. Boy, stop playing, you know all these girls love me cause I'm cool, I'm so cool. I walk around like I'm that dude. When I'm in school, you probably know me, but I probably don't have a clue about you. Marquette, we the best. Yeah, I said we the best. And I'm about to ace this beat, just like I did my test. I don't even know, man, I need to find my pencil. Black and white stripe, boy, my swag is so official, I'm gone.
Dougie, my Dougie, intelligent head, no dummy. Got these girls swarming me like bees and some honey. Gonna go and we not slowing down. Got that championship ring, what you saying now? Shout out to A-Town, got 1,000 kids, but we run this town, you know what it is. DJ breaking ankles, Marquette stepping up. About to pass the mic around or maybe give it up.
Teaching is my job, but I can still spit a verse. Every track I touch turn to gold like it's my curse. Get ready for my punchlines, cause they can take a toll. Cause I diswhack rappers in English or Espanol. That's how I roll, yo, my flow is loco. Ice on my wrist, so cold like Froyo. MC Kenny, I'm a G, the homer is the life for me.
They call me Miss Computers where I go. I am a nice lady, but got a crazy flow. I serve you up like we're serving chicken O's. Don't text around me, cause you know I'll take your phone. Computers is my thing, and I'm rapping with my gang. But can't pass the mic just with a bang!
Ladies, what do you say on this Valentine's Day? Do we love you? Well, maybe, but probably not, though.